is just above here. Okay, it's just above the level here. So let's see how this trade will go in our direction. So guys, as I told you, this is going to be massive trade. You can see we are smashing into profit. We are already in 5,000, which is the half of the 10,000 that we claim we are going to reach. Okay, so you can see how this is smashing. This trade is going to fall massively. It's going to fall. Okay, so we have sent this into the Telegram. As I said, let's check on it if TP1 has hit. So let's check on this. Sell go TP1 is 26.21. Let's check on it. 26.21. Okay, we have not reached there yet. We are still waiting patiently to see if we smash into TP1. So let's keep patient as this trade move into profit. You can see how we are smashing into massive profit right here. You can see how it's falling. It keep on falling. Okay, so I've updated my members here about it that price is has hit TP1 already. You can see how everybody is happy here. If you want to be part of this community, make sure you go down to the video description and join the Telegram channel. Okay, massive profits we are making every single day. So we are still expecting more falls on this. Okay, our target should be around here, but for the TP full TP we place it somewhere here. Okay, that is 14 26 14 around here, and then we will close full TP. But for me, I'm going to leave this in the market because this is a massive rejection from this trend line. Okay, which has fallen in line with our divergence. Okay, so let's keep patient and see how this trade will mash up in massive. Yo guys, so full TP hit on gold right here. So you can see I updated my Telegram members about this. Here's it. Full TP hit, enjoy profits. You can see it clearly from here. So I told you that I'll still be in this trade till we reach this support level here. So I'm still be waiting. When I find another entry, I'll enter additional position to it. Okay, so that is why I'm still in this trade. You can see we are smashing, almost going to $6,000. So let's see if we hit 10,000 before December. Let's see and cash out before the ending of December, so that we can cash out some Christmas money for ourselves. Let's see if this gold can make it for us. Let's see. So we keep on waiting to smash in massive. I slept over, the confirmation is gone right here, but let me just enter simple sell in addition. Okay, you can see we have massive trade here. Okay, I've added additional position to it right here. Let's see how this is going to go. We are going to face another push down again. Okay, I found a confirmation on the 50 minutes 5 minutes. Okay, but just miss it out, okay, but it's going to push down again. Okay, it's going to push down again, so never worry, we'll still go. As you can see, it's smashing again. This is a nice opportunity, guys. Let's see how. All right, it's going 6,000 is going good. More money. Good. Let's wait and see how this. Yo guys, you can see this is a massive move, as we are still pushing hard into massive profit. This is a nice move everybody should be getting. If you want to learn this, let me know. How to find the best entry. Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video too, let me know. We go with real. Okay, so let's keep patient, guys. Guys, so this is what we are having now right here. Again, massive profit. So I'm going to close this trade. We are in 7,000 already, so quickly I will close all trades. Okay, I'll close every trade quickly right here. What's going on? I have to close all trades right here. Close all. Good. So we have 7,387. So almost 2,000 plus to go, 2,004 to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to be learning more opportunity from me, this is your best channel. I will be dropping another video onto the channel today on how to calculate currency pips. Okay, see you in that video.